Good morning, everybody. Let's see what's going on today. As always, don't forget when market gets bearish, when market gets weak, we open green. We open a little bit strong. Indicators shows a strength. Pre-market, then it does exactly the opposite in the first 30 minutes of 1 hour, and that's what happened yesterday, and it's possible to do the same today. So we'll cover both scenario and then we'll see what's gonna happen. So a TSM earning came in. Nothing more special going on for today or tomorrow. Jobless claim came in, and today we have Fed Bowman speech at 9:05, Fed William 9:15. Some auctions at 11:30. Mortgage at 12. 5 years tip at 1 p.m. Fed Bull stick at 6 p.m. And then next week we have some good economic data, which is PCE, and I think, yeah, PCE and GDP. Yes, so those are the key important data that's coming next week. Anyhow, good morning, Amnon. Pre-market right now, ES 5 is up, 1530 is curved up, 1 hour is up again, and the 4 hour again MACD is golden cross. But remember, yesterday pre-market 4 hour MACD was golden cross, then the fall diverted it down and we went lower. So pay attention to the indicators on the lower time frame. They're the best guides for now. In general, we are still very bearish on daily and weekly until we don't have a yellow bar TTM squeeze on daily. Trend is not gonna be solid upward, and there's gonna be a lot of choppy up and down. And when daily MACD golden cross confirms, then we can talk about another bull run, another bigger recovery in the market. NQ, same thing, is still 15:30 1 hour. 15 and 30 is downward, 1 hour is kind of flat. We got red bar on the 1 hour, so if breaks below low of yesterday, we can dump again. 4 hour, not even golden cross yet, and very bearish on daily and weekly. Dow Jones is trying to hold up actually last 2-3 days. It's not dumping crazy like Tex or SPY. 4 hour, still in the golden cross mode, so that's interesting about Dow. RUT, 4 hours golden cross, trying to hold up for now, still very bearish on daily and weekly. DXY, we got a dark blue bar on the daily. Pre-market right now 15:30 1 hour is pointing up, so watch if it breaks a pre-market high. If 106 breaks, then we can go higher, and it's not gonna be good for techs. 10-year was very interesting yesterday. So 1 p.m. the news, the auction was auction, and once that came in, market went for a big jump up, and it jumped up like 30 points, I don't know, 30 40 points. And then but because we're in the bear market, you got to be cautious. Anytime any run up can fail, and it sure did into the close. Keep an eye on 10-year. The higher it goes, not going to be good for market. So two key levels to watch is 4.7574 and 4.652. Breaks either one, can make a bigger move. Pre-market showing a strength, so we'll see what the auction does at 1 p.m. Not as so much important auction at 1 p.m, but could have an effect. Wicks 4 hour dead cross, in general trend is down again, 1812. That's a key level to watch. Every time it passes it, market gets a squeezy. For now, it's pointing down on the 15:30 and 1 hour, so 1764, 1726, those are the next major level. Goes below 1726, market can get more squeezy up. If it goes above 1812, those 1865, 1951 and 2037, those are the next key level. Wix is the best guide. Let me see, SPX, if 5000 breaks, then we're looking at 505, 5005 and 4991. Those are the next major level. Below 4991, next major level is 4948. If the market goes for a dive down, need to get above, I think it's opening above 5, yeah, it's opening above 5028. So if it continues to jump at the open a little bit, we're looking at 5038, 5051. Need to get above 5051 to get interesting for run up. BTC 2% higher. Yesterday was dumping. Right now 4 hour MACD is golden crossing, so halving is getting closer and closer. Everybody's eyeing that, and then we'll see what's gonna happen after that. ETH, think I'm stop covering this. Not much interesting. Weekly is about to have a dead cross. So yeah. Apple gap down 30 cents. Making a new low for this time. 167.11 is the low of last few days. So 166.15, that's a key level to watch. If it breaks that one, we can go bigger down 165, 164, 163. Need to get above 168 and 169 for bigger recovery, but general trend is down on the 4 hour. Until we don't have a yellow bar or 4 hour MACD golden cross, don't expect a run up. This breakout was nice 2 days run up, but it sure failed big time and now is going lower. And once it breaks the low of 167.11, then it can go for a bigger dump. Watch 166.15. Amazon still trying to hold up. It's still not too far away from all-time high 189. In general, 4 hour we got a yellow bar. It's just up and down between 182 and 180 right now. 180.02 and 182.06 breaks 182, it can go for some recovery back to 185. If 180 can hold it, we're looking at 177.43, 174.84, and 173.24. Nvidia was just a non-stop drop yesterday. It was just crazy. ASML earning affected all semis yesterday. That was dragging market down, and it was very interesting. Nvidia was the market direction setter for yesterday. So it had a nice fall in the open, then it did some recovery, then it had a big sudden fall again, then another sudden fall, then another sudden fall. All the falls were sudden. Keep in mind, in bull market, market takes stairs up, slowly goes up. But in the bear market goes like an elevator, like sudden fall, sudden fall, sudden fall. You see here another sudden fall. So anyhow, it's gapping up open thanks to TSM earning a little bit good. So watch two key levels, 845 and 849.91. If 850 pass, we're looking at 856, 863. If 845 can hold it, we're looking at 835, 824, 817. If 817 breaks this week, we can go much lower and lose all the gains that it got after the earning that it had. Pre-market right now, 5 is down, 15 is near the lead cross. So if that one confirms, bigger drop comes. Yeah. So that's about Nvidia. AVGO follows Nvidia. So two key levels to watch is 1292 and 1281. Breaks 1292, can go back to 1304 and more recovery. If 1281 can hold it, back to 1267 and bigger dump to 1244 and lower level. Coin. 4 hour MACD is golden crossing. Every time it goes below 212, it does a recovery. So if it falls again today, 214, 212, 207. If past 217, we're looking at 220. Above 220, can go for a bigger run up. All about BTC. BTC runs up, this one runs up. Netflix earning is today after close, so all eyes are on that. If Netflix earning is good, can pop the market, can make a market open green on Friday, but then it's possible to get sold. Earning usually is on Tuesday on Nvidia and Netflix. This time is on Thursday, and one of my friend pointed out that last time that they did this, they had a dump next day. Earning was a dump, so that's a possibility. We'll see. 610 if it can, 611.84 right now is hovering around it. If it falls today, we're looking at 606, 601, 595. If 613 pass, run up again, 616, 619. Above that, higher levels are those. Meta was a big dump yesterday, a huge fall. But it was interesting. It was one of the strong name that when market bounced, it was one of the strongest name that bounced up harder. So you can see here, it fell very hard to 487 and it touched down, and then boom, when market bounced up, this one was one of the strongest bounce up. Right now, 3 points gap up, so 497.67 if it passed. We're looking at 499, 501, 503, 98. If 495 can hold it again, we're looking to go down to next major level again, 491. And if it gets that one pass, 487. 4 hours curved up, so as golden cross is about to confirm. So we'll see. People are holding Meta. Tesla got a downgrade and then gapping down right now, opening below 154 major level. So it's possible to pass 150 today. If it does, 149.08, 146.03 is the next major level possible to come. Microsoft It was interesting yesterday, got an upgrade. It shows some strength at open, then it dumped. Then it was one of the strong name that not as strong as Meta, but it had a nice jump up into the close. And right now it's opening only like 1 point higher. So 412, 411, if it can hold it, we're looking for 409, 406, and 403.16. Need to get above 413.94 and for past 415 for bigger recovery back up. 4 hour is a little bit curved up, so if golden cross confirms, can go for some recovery. Netflix gonna have a big effect on everything earning. Google, again, another name that was strong, was holding up yesterday and had a nice pop at open, but then when market falls, this one joined. 4 hour MACD is golden crossing, so we'll see. 154.72, 156.68. Past either one, bigger move comes. Above 156.68, those are the higher level. If 154 can hold it, we're looking at 152.76, 151.55 is the next major level. AMD was just non-stop dump yesterday. It's very weak. It broke the 164 all-time high that it had. 164 was a major level, and right now it tried to hold it last few days, but yesterday it let it go and then was just non-stop fall. So 150 most likely is gonna come. Next target there is 152.41, 151. 151 is a major level. That's a high likely to come. If 151 can hold it, back to 149, 147, 146. Keep in mind, AMD, it ran from 120 after the event that they had to almost like 230 something, 220 something. So right now it's all about 150. If it breaks it, can go lower. If maybe it touches down and bounce back up, but general trend is very bearish on the 4 hour, daily, and weekly. Right now pre-market 30 and 1 hour is up, so we'll see if it's gonna do it for recovery or again falls. Boeing, giving up on this name. I'm probably gonna replace it with SMCI. I'm thinking about it, but yeah, Boeing is becoming a dead name. SPY opening 1.5 point higher, so 502.34, 503.05. That's the next major level. If it passed 503, then we can go for a bigger recovery. 504, 505, 507. If you see 500 breaks and 553 breaks, next support is 499. Below 499.75, we're looking at 498, 497, and 496.45. That's the next major level. Again, 4 hour is golden cross, but we'll see the actions that open. If it becomes weak again, then drops, market drops again. QQQ, weakest index yesterday. So right now it's between 427 and 426. These two levels just up and down. Breaks either one, bigger moves comes. Above 428.31 can recover to 429, 431. Below 425, next major is 423. 423 breaks anytime this week, we're looking at 420, 418, and 417.05. It is possible, I think QQQ goes near 400 before have a major bounce up, but as I mentioned, market is going to be choppy downward, so it can go up, then it falls again, then it go up a little bit, then it falls again. IWM showing a little bit strength right now, so 4 hours golden cross, so we'll see if 194.68 pass, 195.82, 196.97. If 193.97 can hold, those are the lower level to watch. SMH weekly MACD is dead crossing, near dead cross, so 211 if it can hold, 208. Next major level below that is 197. What else you got here? Airbnb was strong yesterday, so this one if runs up 160.57, 162.14. ARM was just a non-stop dump yesterday. 105.49 if it can hold it, 102.47, 161 below 100. Next major level, well, can go even lower. We'll see if it's gonna break 100. What else you got here? SMCI was strong at open yesterday, but right now it's showing weakness. 4 hour, we got a dark blue bar. It's probably gonna do some consolidation. Earnings is coming in 1-2 weeks, so need to get above 980 for run up to 996 to 12. If 960 can hold it, 948, 938.6, and 928. TSM earning came in 5 points lower. Earning was good, but is going lower. 134, if it can hold it, back to 132. Below 132, it can dump lower to 125. Need to get above 135.83 for recovery back up. MU was falling yesterday too, but government is giving it 6 billion, so it went all the way to 120, but right now it's pulling back. 117 if you can hold it, back to 113 and lower level. If it gets above 118.49, next target is 120.36. What else you got here? ASML, yesterday low was 895 is a key level to watch. If 895 can hold it, 887 and 880, and those are the lower level. It's possible to 854 to come in next 1 2 weeks. That's pretty much it on the major names. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Dell, somebody asked. But Dell, it's cooling down. It was a hot stock last few weeks, but right now it's cooling down, and the volume is decreasing. You can see here volume was less yesterday. Um, Key level to watch is 115.9 and 121.64. If it does break 121.64, can run up again. But if it continues lower, those are the lower level 115, 110, and 103. To MU, I went over it. Holo. I mean, I don't know. Holo, this is just probably another meme names. Um, it went up crazy last time, yeah? 98. That's crazy. And it doesn't have options last time I checked. I don't know if they have it right now. But yeah, this one, I mean, if you want to play it small, why not? But don't go full house. Yeah, okay. All right. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day.